In part 2 of the Southern Sword tutorial, we'll show you an amazing combo featuring 3 fresh stances and 5 sword techniques. Enjoy, my friends and students!
Friend, welcome to the part 2 of NANDAO. Let's quick review how to hold your sword. Use your right hand, your sword like this. So your right hand open, you're grabbing all the way. It's of sword. That's you can expanding, you can attack. So whatever move you make, you hold tight, but not always tight. Sometimes when you rotate, you should to relax your fingers. So the fingers can be relaxed. So you can got that's really quick. Right? So when you go stop, so you gotta be strong, firm, and this is straight line. With your left hand, so left hand to open. So this is vertical. Let's say this way. So your thumb on the top of this, and you open all your fingers. So your fingers are crossing right here. So that's how you hold. And this side is not a blade, and this side is a blade can cut you. So use this side against your shoulder. So this is safe and straight vertical like this. You're standing straight with that, right? So gotta prepare your both hand on your waist. So you open your both hands. Your left hand in front. So your right hand towards to your left. Same time you make that empty stance. That's your feet stay right here. Your toes supposed to be 45. So once you make that empty stance means all weight is on your right. So this is empty. So you can do stay low, would be great. This is not a requirement. You go all the way low. You can do a little higher. So your right hand push. So remove inside. Let's continue our tutorial of NANDAO empty stance. Your right hand hold the sword. You go forward straight. Stop 45. Your right leg, and you go. Blocking, then you step your left, your left sword, and cut right as well. Your left hand hold outside of the sword, go circle around your head, step your right, and your left, and you cut, push your sword, you go straight vertical, forward, you make your step back, and push back.